everyone, in this video we're going to be learning about the Google side panel. I'm in a new tab right here. So to open the Google side panel, you have this button right here. So it has a weird black and white thing. So that's the side panel icon. You can click it and it's going to open this side panel. So the side panel has three things: the reading list, the bookmarks, and the journeys. So first we have the reading list. Reading list is where you can add a page to read later on. So example, I want to add YouTube. So I can click YouTube right there. It's going to open up, and then you'll see this add current tab. You can click it and it's added right here. So if you see right here, there's this tick mark. You can mark, this is to mark it as red, like this, and this you can click it again to mark it as unread. And then there's this little cross right here. That is to delete. Also, you can't add the new tab. If I'm clicking this, nothing's happening. So you can't add the new tab. That's all about reading lists. So now next we have bookmarks. So bookmarks is almost like it's almost like the reading list, but it has a few differences. So I have added a lot of stuff right here. So unlike the reading list, the bookmarks has a bar right here. So this is where the bookmarks can also get added, and the bookmarks also have has a folder. So to add a bookmark, you can go to that tab, and then you can click the star. I have already added this as my bookmark, therefore it's showing blue color. Therefore it's showing its blue color. So you can this is the name. You can change the name if you want, and then there's the folder. I've made a different video more about these bookmarks, and you can go check that out. So then after you choose these two, you can click done. So then if you wanna edit it, you go to that tab. Since I've added this, I can edit it by clicking this. Then you can edit the name or the folder, and then if you want to remove it, you can just click remove. Now it's removed. So that's about the bookmarks. Then we have journeys. So journeys is a little more complicated. So I have this journey right here. I've been searching for a background sound remover. Therefore, I first searched this, then went to this, then went to this, then went to this. So that made a full journey. Then I have another journey right here. Photos.google.com. I went to albums, then created an album. Then I have another journey right here. Semicolons. I went to Grammarly and stuff. So that's about journeys. You can't add a journey because this journeys automatically get added, and you can remove the whole journey by clicking these three dots and then remove all from history, or you can just open all of them in a group. I have created a different video on groups, Google groups. And groups make your tabs organized. So groups are very helpful. And then if you want to remove only one, then if you hover above that one you want to remove, you'll get this three dots. click it and then you can remove it. So that's all about the journeys, and that's all about side panels. Bye bye.